that my time, that my crew, that my clique, that my fam, that my sis, that my gang, that my grip. Yeah, yeah, that my job, yeah, that my job, yeah, travel wide, travel wide.
Good morning and welcome back. So this is the look of the day. It didn't take too much, but I want to give a huge shout out to Britt. Britt inspired this look of the day, as well as Snapchat World, because they have a filter that kind of looks like this, and she said you should totally make yourself look like that. So I did. I replicated it, kind of. I think I did a pretty good job. It didn't have the curls, but we need curls. Anyway, guys, today is Friday, and I should have been cleaning, but instead I was replicating this look, having a little fun. But now it is exactly 1 o'clock, and your girl needs to get the step in. It's Friday, so I have to clean. A thorough cleaning, and you guys are gonna help me. We're gonna start with the kitchen. Let's see how long it takes me. Let's go. I should be eating right now. By the way, the top is done, the bottom is not really. Because we all know, we clean, we get dirty, but my head is not gonna get dirty. So yeah. Okay, kitchen is done. It's done. Next room. Okay, let me just show you. This is the kitchen. We're ready. We're ready, Freddie. Next room. Go, lady. Living room. Go. Get up. Go. Get. This floor, this rug lets off so much stuff. I hate this rug. All of the pieces are falling out of this rug. Like, all of the shreds. I'm about to just not use it and put it away.
Local Geico agent laughed the exact.
Guys, what the heck? Okay, look at this. Look what this is end up being. They're putting all controllers and stuff on here. I don't appreciate that. No, no, no. Controllers go here, 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 Kilo. Games go here, down here. I don't care if you make a mess down there. I'm not gonna look great after I'm done. I'm sweating already. Alright guys, it is now 1:48, which means 2 rooms, took me 45 minutes, and I'm about to do the stairs. Come with me. It's dusty. Somebody's gotta do it though, right? Done. Done. Alright guys, so that is the end. I did the kitchen, the living room, the hallway, the upstairs, the bathroom. You did not see the bathroom. I'm basically done, but yeah, this is the speed cleaning video of the day. It is now 2:18. So it's been, so I did 3 rooms in 1 hour and 18 minutes. So I feel accomplished. How about you? I'm sweating off my makeup because whoever says taking care of house and home is not a workout, they are a damn lie. I don't look as good as I did when I came on, but oh well. Still, shout out to Snapchat. Shout out to Britt, my girl. All right. So until the next video, I will catch you on the flip side. I'm ready for a freaking nap. I made my bed though. I'm ready for a nap though, but I can't. I have to edit. I have to edit, guys. I have to edit another video. I'm behind, but by the time you see this video, I'll be all caught up. All right. So in a couple minutes, Laylo should be getting home. Angie will be getting home in an hour and a half later, and I still have some cleaning to do. But what I wanted to do is done, and that is the major point in this whole scenario. Okay. I'll catch you on the flip side.